So this video is about opening Power BI and getting data. So when you open your Power BI desktop for the first time, you have to look into two things. The first thing is about regional settings. You have to make sure that your regional setting is according to your original location. Okay, so we'll see that. And the second thing is about unticking two options in the settings. So that is actually a best practice. You have to untick two things: auto detect new relationship after data is loaded, and also the auto date time intelligence. So we'll see both in Power BI desktop now. So to open Power BI desktop, click on the start menu, type Power BI desktop and click on that. So it will be opening. Power BI desktop is actually slightly heavy software, so it takes some time to get opened. So as soon as the Power BI desktop file is opened, this window will appear. So all you have to do is click on the close button. You don't have to do anything with this to use the Power BI desktop. Then for the first time, if you are opening, make sure to check the regional settings. Whether you are in India, it should be English India, or if you are in any other country, it should be according to that. So go to the file, options and settings, options, and first what we have to do is, when you are opening the Power BI desktop for the very first time in your computer, make sure to clear the regional settings. So go to the regional settings under the current file below here, click on that and make sure it is according to your location. If you are in India, it should be English India, or if you are in some other country, it should be according to that, and click on OK after changing that. So now if it is not your exact location as of now, what you have to do is you have to check your system regional settings. So go to the start menu and type regional settings, and it should be your location here on the top. If it is not that, change that first and then go to Power BI desktop and change it. Otherwise you will have to change every time when you open a new file. Now the second thing is to untick two options as a good practice. So again, go to the file option, options and settings, click on option, the option window will appear, and this time current file, data load, click on data load, and we have to untick two options: auto detect new relationship after data is loaded and auto date time intelligence. Untick these two options and click on OK. So now you might be thinking, why did we untick that? We will be discussing those in the subsequent videos. But let me tell you, why did we untick auto detect new relationship? It is because when there are two tables with similar column name, Power BI will think that those two columns are related just because the column name is the same. So it will automatically create relationship between two wrong tables. So that is why we are actually unticking auto detect new relationship. So the practical case of this we will see in the subsequent videos. So now let us get data from Excel, and from this course purview we will be getting data from Excel most of the time, because as we all know, Excel is a very easily accessible thing. So that is why we are choosing that. So to get data from Excel, there are three options actually. The first one is import data from Excel button here on the middle, and the second one is click on this Excel button, and the third one is get data Excel. Anyhow, it's the same thing. So click on this. Then go to select the location where your Excel is located. For example, if it is the flow, click on this flow, open. There are two sheets in this Excel which we will see in the later videos, and a new window will appear. The navigator window will soon appear. Yeah, here it is. So if you want to take all the tables, click all the tables. If you want to select only one, click on that. If you click on the table, you will get the preview of that, what it is. On the student master, if you click, you get the preview. So to select one particular master or one particular table, select that table, in case it is student master in this case, and load it. When you load it, it directly will come to this model area. This window what we are seeing now is called the model area. It consists of two things: Power View and Power Pivot. So what is the third thing, Power Query? It is a separate thing which we will see in the next video. Thank you.